nyanyi. Bakti. Tepuk tangan buat kita semua.
Hey, I'm Antonio Graceffo, and today I'm here with Guru Putu Witsen. Putu, so good to meet you. Good to see you again.
Yes, see you again. Yeah.
Okay, and Putu is Guru of Mepantigan.
Yes.
And this is cultural. It's not just it's culture. It's martial art. It's everything.
Yes, I try for the make something different, unique, basic from Balinese tradition. Yes, this is not only martial art. This full go to inside for everybody happy and harmony.
Sekarang bisa ketawa semua. Sekarang acting sedih, semua sedih. Dia nangis. Stop, masih ketawa. Lu bisa harus teater, bisa sandiwara, karakternya pada saat ketawa, pada saat sedih, pada saat marah. Oke, sekarang salaman deh. Marah kita. Marah.
That's why Mepantigan, I'm creation Balinese martial art, full basic from Balinese tradition.
I see.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is this place called where we are right now?
This Sibetan, near Volcano Agung.
So we're only 4 kilometers from the volcano, and a lot of the people around here are actually people that were displaced by the volcano, and they've been living in the refugee camp basically for some of them almost several months.
Around 2 months, around 2 months. Yeah.
Okay, and we can see the volcano sort of today, but the weather wasn't good.
Yeah.
But anyway, this is like this center. What is the purpose of this center?
This this place named Gria Gusalak. Gusalak, Balinese person. He concerned about the ecotourism, many activity about the culture also, and then about the hydroponic vegetable, natural, and then combined also with the culture. That's why today we come here not only for the ecotourism. We teach children from village here because we need generation strong wisdom and then harmony. That's why today we go to Gria Gusalak for give something happy for these children.
Jog. Bo. Wajah. Push up, go. 10 kali.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Because situation this village still like warning, but already step by step already okay. Gunung Agung or Agung Volcano already friendly again, and then everybody come to Bali very safety.
Yeah, so for a while the airports were closed, there were no tourists, and because of the volcano, now the volcano is okay, so please come back to Bali.
Yes.
And all the people I talked to, they told me that their income is probably affected for 1 year because of the volcano.
Yes.
But today you talked to those boys. What did you tell them? I still don't speak Bahasa.
I give the spirit Balinese, spirit my leluhur, like my grandfather ago. They have the wisdom, local wisdom, very good. Important, make happy the children here. Come on, situation may be not good, but for the future you must spirit, you must practice, focus with the culture, focus with the everything greens, and then respect with the skala and niskala, flora, fauna, father and mama and papa, something like that. Basic from the martial art, something like that.
So basically, this is like Balinese yin yang. Basically, you have to have the balance, mother and father. flora and fauna.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes, something like that.
Yeah, Putu, you're excellent. I like I said, I don't even speak the language, but I watch the children, and at first, they, you know, maybe they're skeptical, and then they start to listen a little, and then they start, and by the end, they're listening to every word, and Chankatos, Singkengkeng, Jackie, Baris.
Yeah, Baris, Bhakti. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes.
Okay, so Putu is the leader of Mepantigan family, and I'm so happy every time I come to Bali to visit Mepantigan family.
You're welcome. Thank you
for everything.
Yes.
And unfortunately today, Putu he came on his motorcycle, so he arrived late, and he didn't get to practice silat with us today, but I got to meet a really nice silat master, and get to wrestle a little bit.
Wow. Oh, fantastic.
It's a perfect day for me.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you so much,
You're
Putu.
welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Yes.
So Mepantigan is a kind of traditional mud wrestling, and we wrestle in the mud, the rice paddy, and I did a video on that before. And so I've noticed the throws, mostly it looks like a lot of judo. Judo techniques, right? Right, and you have a judo background, I guess.
Yeah, I had my practice many kind of martial art like judo, like aikido. I like the traditional martial art also from Bali, from Indonesia, sometimes from Thailand also, and then become mixed for the wisdom,
Okay, awesome. So maybe you show me one basic.
Okay. First, in Mepantigan we have like this Bhakti, and then Baris, Baris like that, and then Siaga, and then Rangkul. Rangkul. Usually, when you throwing, we very technique control, because this not mattress.
Yeah, we're on a tile floor, by the way. This is how people my age break a hip.
For example, Rangkul, and then technique. For example, like this. I give you slow motion. This, when I push you and then you not like this, but feel my hand like this. Then, see, I pull like that, and then you still. No problem.
Still okay.
Yes, because this technique control for everything happy, healthy, and no accident.
Yeah, no accident is important to me.
Yes. Important when side brick wall technique. I give you sample. Bata, come to me, please. Yes.
Bhakti.
Yes.
See, this is Bata. This is Putu's Mongolian son.
Yes.
He's from Mongolia, and he's a good wrestler.
Okay, Bhakti. Baris. Siaga Haisa! Rangkul. Something like that. And then, ready, I show you. Tapping, like this. I hold this for everything, no accident. This is like control technique. Self-defense with control. See? And everything okay. And then sometimes like this. Many technique for many, like this. Maybe like this. See? Okay. Submission or something, and then this martial art with the Balinese style. Dancing. Can you attack me? Oh, press down. Oh, still dancing. Oh, and then protect your something like that. Always like that.
Awesome. So awesome.
Bhakti. And then I give you technique number 2. Rangkul. This also very dangerous if you not have the control. Because martial art, you need very control for everything. We call skala and skala, flora and fauna, papa and mama, grandma and everything control. Because this martial art, principle martial art, your practice make happy, healthy and harmony. No accident, something like that. If you see, this is very hard. Yes, this and then Why? Because this. I hold this. And then repeat the dance. And then That's Mongolia.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. That's about that.
Awesome.
For example, Bhakti. Yes. when I throwing you, yes, and then oh see, and then I put this into the bag. And then that's it.
Now I'm a lot heavier than that Mongolian boy.
Okay, come to me. Yes, Bakti. Singkengken.
Singkengken.
Cangkatos.
Cangkatos.
Baris.
Baris.
Bakti. Matur suksama.
Maksud sama.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.